A lot of inboxes are just one long list of unread messages. When different kinds of emails are mixed together and nothing really tells you what to do next, messages get reread, delayed, and pile up. In this video, we'll change that so you can focus on what's important without getting lost in the noise. A really common habit is using unread as a reminder. You skim an email, leave it unread, and come back later. Then repeat. But unread doesn't tell you why something is there. It doesn't tell you what kind of email it is or what headspace you need to deal with it. That's why messages get touched over and over and over before anything actually happens. Instead of using unread as a reminder, you make a simple decision. Is this for today? You read just enough of the message to understand what it needs, and then you decide. If it needs attention today, you leave it in your inbox and keep moving. Hit J to go to the next message and continue processing. That email stays in your inbox, ready for when you're ready to handle it. If it's for another day, you hit H to set a reminder. You'll see the reminder panel appear, and you can choose when it should return. Maybe tomorrow morning, next week, or a custom time, all using natural language. When that time comes, or if there's new activity on the thread, the message automatically returns to the top of your inbox. And if you're finished with the message, hit E to archive. It leaves your inbox and moves to your done folder. It's never deleted, it's always searchable, and if someone does reply later, it comes right back to your inbox. Nothing is ever lost. That's the system. You look at the message, decide what it needs, and hit one key. Now, let's go back to what you left in your inbox for today. When you're ready to respond, hit Enter to reply all. Write your response, and then hit Command Enter or Control Enter to send. You're moving through your inbox, making decisions, replying when needed, and keeping momentum the whole time. When you work this way, your inbox feels different. You're not leaving emails unread as reminders or having to reopen the same message multiple times. You look at it once, decide what it needs, and move on. Inbox zero is what happens when you process with intention. This is one of the ways people save an average of 4 hours a week using Superhuman Mail, deciding faster and touching each message only once. You now have a system. Every email gets a decision, nothing gets lost, and your inbox works for you instead of against you. Next, we'll make it even more powerful. How to find exactly what you need instantly. Let's talk about search next. See you there.